What is the average velocity in kilometers per hour of a car that traveled 300.0 kilometers in 5.5 hours? So once again, as I go through the problem, I see that average velocity, that's the thing that we're looking for, or in other words, the unknown. So velocity equals question mark, and it tells me what units you need to solve for. Kilometers per hour. Next, of a car that traveled 300 kilometers. So once again, there's a unit, and that helps me figure out that that is a displacement. And it is in the unit kilometers. Good. And then in 5.5 hours. Hours is a measurement of time, and that equals 5.5, and I'm going to represent it as 5.5 HSRs. At this point, given that I have a displacement, a time, and a velocity, I'm looking for an equation that helps me solve for velocity, so that's velocity equals displacement divided by time. And now, if I start replacing numbers for these terms, I'll get that velocity equals 300.0 divided by divided by 5.5. Once again, I'm not putting the units here because it gets messy, so velocity equals 300.0 divided by 5.5. And I get a number 54.5454555. Once again, this is the calculator answer. And we need to see that, but here we need to include the units kilometers per hour. And then, in order to make it pretty and something we can talk about in class, let's say velocity equals 54, and then include two numbers after the decimal. 5 kilometers per hour. And this is because the 4 was rounded up.